We're going to do the lesson today on chemical reactions from your Pearson Real Life textbook, Chapter 14, pages 517 to 521, and pages 528 to 529. The vocabulary words that we're going to do is physical change, chemical change, the law of conservation of mass, reactant, product, and yield. How can changes in matter be described? Well, properties of matter is the characteristics of the substance. You can look at the physical properties, which can be observed without changing the substance. For example, of looking at the color, texture, density, or the phase that it's in. Chemical properties describe the ability to change into another substance. For example, if it rusts, it's flammable, or it tarnishes. Changes in matter in chemistry can be looked at in two different ways. A physical change is any change that alters the physical appearance and does not change into something new. Here's a soda can, and it's changed into a crushed soda can. It's still the soda can, it's just crushed. A chemical change is atoms arranged, and it forms a new substance. That's the key. Here it is, the chemical change written as an example as a chemical equation. This is photosynthesis. On this side are the reactants, the things that go into the chemical reaction. Carbon dioxide and water. Reactants are substances that enter into a chemical reaction. On this side of the equation of the arrow is called the product. The products are substances that formed as a result of the chemical reaction, glucose and oxygen. The arrow means to yield what is created, produced. How is mass conserved during a chemical reaction? The law of conservation of mass states that during a chemical reaction, matter is not created or destroyed. All atoms present at the start of a reaction are present at the end of a reaction. Here's an example using this equation. Fe is a symbol for iron plus sulfur in the presence of a flame will yield iron sulfide, FeS. The balance for iron says 14 grams. The balance for sulfur says 8 grams. I would like for you to calculate and write the mass of the iron sulfide on your set of notes. What would be the end result here, using and understanding the law of conservation of mass. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any questions, please let me know.